name is Chona. I'm 56 and I've been working with Tina now for about 3 months. I'm probably a little different than I'd say most of her clients in that I'm not new to weightlifting or strength training. I am a former CrossFit coach and was also a certified personal trainer. The main reason I wanted to work with Tina is that I needed accountability and I just wanted more consistency. Although I know how to create my own workouts and program movements for myself, I found that what I was doing was I was creating workouts that really were my strength and things that I favored rather than doing things that were necessary for my growth and improvement. So having Tina there is definitely a big win for me. One of the things, or one of the biggest changes I've seen, or I would say wins, is that just in working with her for these last 3 months, I've been able to work my way back up to deadlifting 200 pounds. Actually, I just deadlifted 210 pounds recently. And although I had done that before, I hadn't been able to do that in many years when I became inconsistent with my training. One of my other wins is that I now do a lot of mobility work, which is something that I didn't even necessarily do very consistently as a trainer. And although we know how important it is, we tend to do things that are not our favorite. If you're thinking about working with Tina, I just want to tell you that one of my most favorite things about her, other than the fact that she has a great sense of humor, is that she's just so easy to work with, and she puts in a hell of a lot of effort to refine the programming so that it really meets your needs and your goals. It's really custom tailored. She has such a great eye for form, and although we're not in person, she just knows how to point it out just with the videos I send her. And also I just feel like she gets me for where I'm at my age. And not to say that as you're older we should be more lenient, but it's just great to know somebody who doesn't let me play small, but also can exercise the compassion and help me get through kind of the tough moments when I'm being too hard on myself, I guess is what I'm saying. So if you're on the fence again about working with Tina, just don't overthink it. Just go ahead and do it because you have nothing to lose and everything to gain.